Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Filipino ebook before it's gone.
Hi everybody, my name is Kat. Welcome to the 2000 Core Filipino Words and Phrases video series. Each lesson will help you learn new words, practice, and review what you've learned. Okay, let's get started. First is lobby, 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 hotel lobby, hotel lobby, hotel lobby, wake up service, wake up service, wake up service, wake up service, wake up service. Ginamit ko ang wake up service call na tawagan ako ng ika-6 ng umaga. I use the wake up service to call me at 6 o'clock a.m. Ginamit ko ang wake up service call na tawagan ako ng ika-6 ng umaga. Sweet, 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 hotel suite, hotel suite, hotel suite, pagbibisikleta, cycling, pagbibisikleta, pagbibisikleta, cycling, karera ng pagbibisikleta, cycling race, karera ng pagbibisikleta, karerahan ng kotse, auto racing, karerahan ng kotse, karerahan ng kotse, auto racing, kotseng pangkarera sa karerahan ng kotse, racing car on an auto racing track, kotseng pangkarera sa karerahan ng kotse. Tape, scotch tape, 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 scotch tape, rolyo ng scotch tape, roll of scotch tape, rolyo ng scotch tape. Ipinanganak, born, ipinanganak, ipinanganak, born. Ako ay ipinanganak noong 1980. I was born in 1980. Ako ay ipinanganak noong 1980. Makakuha ng trabaho, get a job. Makakuha ng trabaho, makakuha ng trabaho, get a job. Nakakuha ng trabaho ang kapatid ko. My brother got a job. Nakakuha ng trabaho ang kapatid ko. Mamatay. Die. Mamatay. Mamatay. Die. Mamatay sa sakit. Die of an illness. Mamatay sa sakit. Tokyo. 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 Lungsod ng Tokyo, Japan. City of Tokyo, Japan. Lungsod ng Tokyo, Japan. Let's review. Respond to the prompts by speaking aloud. First, you will hear a word or phrase in English. Respond in Filipino, then repeat after me, focusing on pronunciation. Ready? Do you remember how to say lobby? Lobby. Lobby. And how to say wake up service? Wake up service. Wake up service. What about sweet? Sweet. Sweet. Do you remember how to say cycling? Pagbibisikleta. Pagbibisikleta. Let's try auto racing. Karerahan ng kotse. Karerahan ng kotse. What about scotch tape? Tape. Tape. Now, let's see if you remember how to say born. Ipinanganak. Ipinanganak. Another one. What about get a job? Makakuha ng trabaho. Makakuha ng trabaho. Do you remember how to say die? Mamatay. Mamatay. And finally, do you remember how to say Tokyo? Tokyo. Tokyo. Well done! See you next time! Paalam!